Welcome to Let's Listen. Today's story is a narrative summary of the beautiful poem No Men Are Foreign, written by James Kirkup. This poem carries a timeless message that beyond borders, languages, and uniforms, all human beings are one family. Let's listen and feel the meaning that lies between these gentle lines. The poem No Men Are Foreign is a call for peace, unity, and brotherhood. The poet, James Kirkup, reminds us that though we belong to different nations, we all share the same world and breathe the same air. He begins by saying, "Remember, no men are strange and no countries foreign." These words ask us to see beyond differences, because beneath all uniforms, whether military or civil, there beats the same human heart. The poet says that every person on this earth is connected through humanity. We may wear different clothes, speak different languages, or live in different lands, but inside we are the same. Our blood, our breath, our dreams, and our needs are no different. The land others walk upon is the same kind of earth we walk on, and one day all of us will rest in that same earth. This reminds us that life is temporary, and fighting one another for power or pride only destroys our shared home. The poet beautifully points out that people in other countries also enjoy the same gifts of nature. The same sun warms them, the same air fills their lungs, and the same water quenches their thirst. When they work in the fields and harvest crops, they live peaceful, honest lives, just like us. But when war arrives, they suffer hunger, fear, and loss, just like us. The poet then compares our hands with theirs. He says, their hands are ours. It means that their labor, their hard work, and their struggles are no different from ours. If we look carefully, we can see the same story written in every hand, a story of effort, hope, and survival. He goes on to remind us that even the people we are told to hate have eyes that wake and sleep like ours, and hearts that can be moved by love. Their lives too are filled with emotions, joy, sadness, friendship, and family. Across the world, in every home, people live the same rhythm of daily life, and that is what connects all human beings. The poet gives a strong warning. He says, whenever we are told to hate our brothers, it is ourselves that we shall betray. When we hate or harm others, we are not only hurting them, we are hurting ourselves, because in truth, we all are part of the same human race. Hatred divides and poisons our hearts, while love and understanding heal them. The poet also says that when we take up arms against one another, we defile the very earth we share. The smoke and dust of war pollute the same air we all breathe. The fire that burns there burns us too. War never truly has a winner. It only leaves behind pain, destruction, and loss. In his final lines, Kirkup repeats his main message. Remember, no men are foreign, and no country strange. He urges us never to forget that every person we meet is connected to us in spirit, because humanity has no borders. Through simple words, this poem speaks a truth we often forget, that peace begins when we see others as ourselves. When we look beyond skin, language, and nationality, we realize that we all share the same sky and the same dreams. The poem teaches us that hatred is learned, but kindness is natural. And when we choose kindness, we make the world a safer and more human place. This is James Kirkup's message in No Men Are Foreign, that we are one world, one people, one earth. Thank you for listening to Let's Listen. Keep your heart gentle, keep your thoughts kind, and remember, no man is foreign and no country strange.